गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, चतुर्वेदी टेक्निकल ज्ञान में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कसिंग अबाउट मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज इन मैकेनिकल फील्ड। प्लंगर डायल गेज, रेडियस गेज, फीलर गेज, पिच गेज। Plunger dial gauge. It is simplest and widely used mechanical comparator. It is used for measuring surface roundness, surface flatness, and surface straightness. Plunger dial gauge least count is 0.01 mm. Component of plunger dial gauge: cap, tolerance hand, pointer, outer dial, inner dial, short hand, stream, contact point, and spindle. Radius dial gauge. It is also known as flat gauge. It is also used as reference tool to measure radius of arc. It is used to check the radius of inner and outer arc. Feeler gauge. It is widely used to measure gap. It is mostly used to measure the clearance between two parts like piston and cylinder. Pitch gauge. It is also known as thread gauge. It is used as a reference tool to determine the pitch of a thread. It is used to check the thread of any nut and bolt. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.